Struggling to figure out the safest way to officially say goodbye to your EverBank account? You're not alone. Closing any bank account can feel daunting, but when done correctly, it's a smooth, worry-free process. The last thing you want is a surprise fee or a pending transaction that turns into a headache months later. This video is your step-by-step guide to safely and efficiently closing your EverBank account, making sure you tie up all the loose ends. Let's start with preparation, the key to a smooth exit. First, open a new account elsewhere and get it fully set up. You need a place to move your funds and redirect all your financial activity before you close the old one. Next, you need to update all direct deposits and automatic withdrawals. Go through at least the last 6 months of your EverBank statements. Make a list of everything: your paycheck, monthly bill payments, subscriptions, and any other automatic transfers. Contact each company to switch the routing and account numbers to your new bank. This step is critical to avoid missed payments or failed deposits, which can lead to fees. Now, wait. Give it a few weeks. You must let all pending transactions clear. Once you've redirected everything, keep your EverBank account open and funded for at least one full billing cycle. This acts as a buffer for any lingering transactions you might have missed. Once the account is clear, transfer your remaining balance. EverBank is an online institution, so your options are typically an electronic transfer to your new bank or requesting a check for the final balance. Make sure the balance is zero or positive before you initiate the closure. Good news, EverBank typically does not charge an account closing fee, provided you don't close it too soon after opening. Finally, it's time to actually close the account. EverBank generally requires you to contact them directly. This can often be done by calling their client support or through a secure message within the online banking portal, depending on their current policy. Be prepared to provide your name, account numbers, and a clear statement that you wish to close the account. The most important final step is to request written confirmation. Ask them to send you an email or a letter officially stating that the account has been closed and that the balance was zero. Keep this document on file for your records. Once you have that confirmation, you can safely destroy any EverBank checks or debit cards. Follow these steps, and you'll successfully close your EverBank account without any unwelcome surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.